Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel where English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm John. Hi, everybody. It feels great to join today.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. And you look really happy today.
Yes, I'm in a good mood. I'm excited for the topic.
Same here. It's an important one. But before we begin, let's remind everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And please give us a like and share this podcast with friends and family. It helps so much.
Exactly. Now, are you ready?
Absolutely. What are we talking about today?
Today's subject is, tell me about yourself.
Oh, yes, a question people often hear in a new class, at work, or when meeting someone for the first time.
True, and sometimes it's not easy to know what to answer.
That's why we'll show simple and fun ways to do it.
Perfect. So, shall we start with you or me?
How about you first? Tell me about yourself.
All right, where should I begin? Let's start with the basics. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. My name is John.
Nice meeting you too. Next question, where are you from? I'm from England.
Wow, I'm from the United States.
Interesting. Do you live in a large city? No, I stay in a small town. It's quiet and peaceful. And you?
I live in a busy city. It's crowded and noisy, but I really enjoy it.
A small town and a big city. Very different lifestyles. Do you live in a house or apartment? I have a small house with a garden.
That's lovely. I live in an apartment. Not big, but comfortable.
Okay, so we covered name, place, and home. Next is age. May I ask how old you are? I'm 28 years old.
I'm 25.
Great. Now the big question, what do you do? I'm an English teacher, and I love my work.
Wonderful. I'm a student.
Oh, what do you study?
I study art. I love painting and drawing.
That's amazing. Very creative. An art student and an English teacher make a good podcast team.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about family. Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother named Com, he's 29. So, a bit older than me. I have one sister, Sarah. She's younger, a music student, and plays piano.
Wow, very talented. What about your parents?
My mom is a writer, and my dad is a doctor.
That's incredible. My mom is also a teacher. She teaches little kids. And my dad is a chef.
A chef? That must mean delicious food at home.
Yes, we eat very well.
Lucky you. Now, let's talk about pets. Do you have one? Yes, I have a brown dog named Max. He's playful and friendly.
That sounds adorable. I have a cat named Luna. She's black and white, very quiet, and sleeps most of the time.
A dog lover and a cat lover. That's fun. Now, how about favorite things?
Good idea. What's your favorite food?
Hard choice, but I'd say pizza, especially with vegetables.
Nice. I also like pizza, but pasta is my favorite.
Pasta is delicious too. What's your favorite color? Mine is blue, calm like the sky.
I love green, like trees and nature.
Beautiful choices. How about animals? Dogs are my favorite.
And mine are cats, so graceful and independent.
Let's move on to hobbies. What do you enjoy doing?
I paint every weekend and also read adventure books.
That's great. I like listening to old rock music and playing soccer with friends.
Very active. Do you like movies?
Yes, especially comedies.
Me too. And I also enjoy animated films.
Wonderful. Now let's share what we don't like.
Okay. I don't like very spicy food.
Interesting. I don't like olives.
And I really dislike waking up too early.
I dislike waiting in long lines.
True. These are good ways to show personality.
Exactly. For example, hi, my name is Anna. I am a teacher. I like dogs and pizza, but I dislike olives.
Or, hi, I'm John. I'm a student. I love cats and pasta, but I hate waking up early.
Perfect. That's short, clear, and friendly.
And you don't need to say everything at once. Just choose what fits the situation.
For example, in class, say your name and why you study English.
Or at a party, say your name and your hobby. That starts a conversation.
Yes, tell me about yourself is not scary. It's just an invitation.
Exactly. And today we learned so much about each other.
I learned you're an art student, you love pasta, green, and you have a sleepy cat named Luna.
And I learned you're a teacher, you love pizza, blue, and you have a friendly dog called Max.
A very successful conversation.
I agree. And I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
Remember, use these simple sentences for your own introductions.
Don't worry. Keep it simple and stay friendly. A smile helps a lot.
Time is nearly up.
Yes, time flies when you're having fun.
So, before we leave, please subscribe, like this video, and share with others who are learning English.
And practice with us. Write in the comments and tell us about yourself, your name, where you're from, your hobby, or favorite food.
We can't wait to read your comments.
Thanks so much for listening.
Stay safe and keep practicing.
We'll see you soon in another episode. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.